Good morning, class. Till now, we have discussed the benefit of e-banking to customers. Now, we are going to discuss what are the benefits of e-banking to banks. So, first benefit is competitive advantage. E-banking provide competitive advantage to the bank. It means bank can compete with other countries' bank if we are using e-banking. Second one is unlimited network. Again, it is very common. E-banking provide unlimited network to the bank and is not limited to the number of branches. Any PC connected to modem and telephone can provide cash withdrawal needs of customer. Clear? And here we have unlimited network area. Okay? Now we will not have to confine to the number of branches, but it is available at wide level. Next is reduced the load burden on branches. The load on branches can be reduced by establishing centralized database and by taking over some of the accounting functions. Different method of digital payment or e-banking services are clear. There are different method through which we can make digital payment or different method of e-banking services. First, debit card, credit card, NEFT. NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS, real time gross settlement, ATM, automated teller machine, and e-cash or digital cash. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the debit card. What is debit card? So it is a facility offered to account holder to make payment up to the amount of credit balance in their account. Generally, the point of sale terminal are located which are electronically tied to the bank computer. When the customer present the debit card, the point of sale terminal automatically transfer money from the customer's bank account to the store's account. This account holder can pay their bill by attaching the personal computer with the bank's computer. The bank automatically transfer fund from customer's account to the biller's account when customer types the required information. Clear? Now you know it very well. You are well familiar with the debit card through which you can make any payment. Okay? If you have account in bank, then bank will issue you debit card and you can make payment up to the amount available in your bank account. ठीक है, जितना भी आपके बैंक अकाउंट में मनी है, डिपॉजिट है मनी, उसमें से जितना भी पेमेंट आप करना चाहो डेबिट कार्ड के थ्रू कर सकते हो. आपको डेबिट कार्ड नंबर देना होगा और उसके बाद जो भी उसकी प्रोसीजर है, OTP है, पिन है, उस पिन को जैसे ही आप इंसर्ट करोगे आपके अकाउंट से पैसा डेबिट होके स्टोर या शॉपिंग मॉल वाले के अकाउंट में वो मनी क्रेडिट हो जाएगी. क्लियर? सेकेंड वन इज क्रेडिट कार्ड. Credit card is like bank account without having balance in it. It enables the card holder to have over OD facility up to the fixed limit depending upon the credit worthiness of party. Credit is substitute of cash. It is a plastic card with a signature identity of the owner. It also includes the name of issuing bank and validity period of the कार्ड. ठीक है बेटा. क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड में डिफरेंस ये रहता है कि डेबिट कार्ड में आपके अकाउंट में जितनी मनी है आप उतना ही ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हो, बट क्रेडिट कार्ड एक अब तरह की फैसिलिटी होती है. यदि आपके अकाउंट में पैसा नहीं है तो भी आप क्रेडिट कार्ड के थ्रू शॉपिंग कर सकते हो। देन द क्रेडिट कार्ड इज इश्यूड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस, गुडविल, मार्केट में आपकी रेपो कितनी अच्छी है उस बेसिस पे आपको मिलेगा क्रेडिट कार्ड। क्लियर? थर्ड वन इज नेफ्ट एंड फोर्थ वन इज आरटीजीएस। इन दोनों को मैं बाद में बताऊंगा। पहले हम देखते हैं ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन। ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन, in short ATM machine. You know what is the meaning of ATM machine. So the person who make payment and accept deposit in bank is known as teller, TELLER, teller. The ATM, just a minute, the ATM refer to mechanical and automatic teller which can do the teller's job 24 hours a day at less than half the cost of human teller. To use an ATM, you insert a plastic card in the machine and enter your identification code. If the code matches, the machine responds by giving cash, taking deposit, etc. ठीक है? And you know it very well how ATM works. First of all, we will have to insert our credit card in the machine, ATM card in the machine, and after that it will ask to enter the pin code. As we enter the pin code, the ATM card number and pin code is matching, then it will give you money. Clear? E-cash or digital payment. So it is a new concept of online payment. E-cash is used over internet, email or personal computer or on mobile. Okay, so there are many mode of digital payments available in today's life. Clear beta? So I hope all these things are clear to you. ठीक है?